Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Let's just draw. In this video we are gonna learn how to draw face. So first of all, as always, draw a circle for the head. So now the circle is done, draw another small circle inside the first one, right here. Now draw a straight line in the mid of the circle, and that is where we are gonna put the eye. You can also draw like those line, it will be more easy. I drew these line to show you guys how head are formed. Draw another straight line vertically inside the second circle like I am doing. See this red line mark? It start at the top of your ear, then end in jawline with a curve shape always. I haven't draw line that set apart for two side of face. So this line separate the left side and right side of face. As we can see in the reference, the right side is smaller than the left one, that's why you should draw a line to separate them. Now completely draw the jaw line from both sides, just like I did. I always draw big circle for the eye, then draw inside it. But you can draw these guidelines to draw eye. Drawing guideline to draw face is lot helpful and make easy to draw. And in time you enjoy making art this way. This is also the reason why I hook up with it. Now draw this shape for the nose, but you can also draw a triangle shape for the nose. After this, most of our structure for face are done. Now let's add mouth. Draw neck from beneath the ear. Another line for neck, add line from jawline. Now draw dress however you like to. Finally we draw the hair and we are done. To draw this you don't need any fancy art materials. If you guys want, then I will draw any character in my next video with a normal art materials. If you guys have a good perspective, then you don't need to draw these circle, otherwise start to draw with circle, it helps a lot. So as the video is almost finished, if you guys liked the video and if it was helpful to you guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Your one like and comment means a lot and motivate me to make more videos like these. And finally, thank you for watching my video. It means a lot to me.